A set of necessary supplies that we use for our training here at our clinic. So we have everything organized and we keep everything nice and clean and sterile. So we'll start with the syringes. We use these syringes solely to apply gel into the caps. So it's a blunt tip needle, and we take the needle and we fill it with the gel, which is in this container. And we will clean the tips with alcohol to make it sterile for the next use. This tip of this needle does not touch any part of anyone's head or body. It's solely just for the application of the gel into the cap. Next, this is the gel that we use. This is our container. It does not come like this, but this is the gel that we use for the caps. This is the paste that we use. It's a 1020 conductant paste. We use these for single electrodes and also for the ear clips. We have alcohol wipes that we use to clean the tips of our needles or syringes. Number two, we use these to clean any surface of the ears or behind on the mastoid if we're putting a ground, or to get the paste off of their head. When we remove the electrodes, there's paste left on the scalp or the ears if you use electrodes with paste on the ears. And it's easier to remove the paste with alcohol wipes rather than any other kind of wipe. The alcohol will basically melt the paste off. We have sponges. These are squishy, and they're used as cushions for the front of the caps for FP1 and FP2. The other side, this is has adhesive, so we peel this off. This is sticky. So we put this on the inside of the cap, and this side sits on the client's head to cushion their forehead. We have tape that we use if we need to for eyes closed training every once in a while. It is difficult for people to keep their eyes closed and still during recordings. So we can use this tape to tape on cotton balls to their eyes, which is nice and soft, to help them hold their eyes still. This is new prep. This is what we use to prep the skin if we are using single electrodes on the scalp, also for the ears for ear clips. We have Q-tips or orange sticks with one end here with no cotton, and this can also be used for the new prep to clean the surface of the scalp. We use this end to abrade the hair inside of the cap if we're having poor connections. And we have cotton balls for various reasons. For electrodes, it does help to take a piece of the cotton ball and apply it to the once we have the electrode on the head, we place the cotton ball on the head on top of the electrode and just apply some pressure, and it helps keep the electrode in place. And then we have tissues, and we have wet wipes. Baby wipes, we get them from Costco. So we can use this. We give them the wet wipes to clean their ears with the gel or paste. And that is what we use for the supplies for our sessions. The following attachment will be a list of all of the supplies that we have here with the vendors or purveyors that you can get each one at. You can also do your own research and find different supplies at different costs. And that concludes our video for necessary supplies.